In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the logo bigger on Weebly website. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave browser, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you or you have it in your PC. As an example, you have the Microsoft Edge, the Google Chrome, Opera, Firefox, or even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. So just go to that browser, and once it's opened, you will have to go to this URL section and simply type weebly.com and hit the enter button, and that will take you directly to the Weebly home screen or main screen website. So here you will have, of course, to log in into your account if you have one by clicking at this login at the top right corner. Once you click on it, you will have to fill your email, your username, then of course enter your password. Or you can log in with your Facebook, Google, or even Square. Of course, if you don't have an account, you'll have to click instead of login into sign up at the top right corner again. And if you click on it, as you can see here, you will have to enter all this informations: first name, email, last name, confirm your email, create a password, then the local. Agree to their term of service. Then, of course, click at continue and you will have successfully created your account. So if you just created your account, they'll ask you what kind of website would you like to create? And you need a website or a website with online store. So for you, choose whatever suits you. For me as an example, I just need a website. And here, of course, you'll have to choose a theme and etc. and go through all of this alone if you want. And you will be good to go. So once you have your website ready, you will have to publish your website, of course, in a web domain that you already have, or you can just go and buy one. You will be good to go. So as we said at the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to make the logo bigger. So click on edit size here at the top right if you want to try to do that. Once we have this editor here, just go now to the top options or the header. And as you can see, you will have here the logo already chosen. If you click on edit, so as you can see here, we will not find any option to edit the size of logo. But what we can do, of course, if we go here to logo and try to not edit, let's just delete this. Yes, remove. And now go to logo, upload from PC. And as you can see here, if you want to edit the size of your logo, you will have to have a logo with a different dimension. As you can see, the greatest logo I have here is this one. As the previous logo was a bit short, but this one will be even bigger than it. And as you can see, you can even here resize the image if I want to make it more shorter or larger. And here we go. We resize it and it will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.